You can't. Fuck me. Yeah, can you take the back, please?
You want to lift up, yeah?
Fuck me.
What happened? I slip on the road.
Yeah, ice. Fuck me, I'm fucked. Oh, you fucking serious, right?
You slip on the road?
Yeah, I don't even know how, mate. Fuck!
Holy shit.
Right, neutral, right. Do you want to move it over to the side then? Right, oh, this guy's right. I don't think we're going to be able to get off the curve. Oh! Fuck me, that'll make a good clip. Right, yeah. Fuck. Fuck me, yeah. That's fine,
Scratch.
That's not bad at all.
Is that just a footrest, is it? Or?
Yeah, thanks fuck. Oh, this is going to be extensive. That was a fucking stupid mistake. Basically, everything's fine surprisingly, but like, as you can see probably, it's got a little bit of crack there. My clutch lever literally, it will downshift, but it won't upshift, so all I need to do is just bend it and it'll be completely fine. Apart from that, thank fuck it's alright. I'd have been so fucked. Oh. At least I've got a nice view.